Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about the lofted cut in SolidWorks. So the lofted cut, what it does is, again, it's very similar to lofted boss, except now you're removing material. So again, you could have two profiles, and then the profiles could be different. Then you could choose a path that you want the cut to follow, or it could have some default path that is trying to remove. So here in the top plane, we're gonna make a block so that we can actually remove material. So there we go. And then here we're gonna create a sketch. So on the top, we're gonna make a circle. And then on the bottom, we're gonna make a square. Let's see. Here we're gonna make a square. Okay, so these are our two shapes. And then you could go ahead and choose the lofted cut. So you have one profile and then your second profile. And click OK. Then you can see here it made our cut. Okay. And you could change the view to wireframe so you could see that we made this fancy cut here. And then as before, you could go inside here, edit feature. We could have the guided curve like we did before. You can also kind of change the behavior of these points if you want it to warp. So you can see that's happening there. Okay. So if you go back to edit feature, you can see the different things. Okay, so that was pretty straightforward. And for the next video, we'll talk about boundary cut, which like we saw for the boss is pretty similar, but we'll show you how you do that later on. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.